Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And yes, this is round 2 of Triple Play Saturday, and I'm telling you, it just keeps getting better and better. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Triple Play Saturday, round 2. And round 2, you're gonna love just as much as round 1. Now, the name of the watch face is called DSS Wisdom. I think I paid $1 or 79 cents in the Gear Manager store. Either or, it's affordable. This watch face is absolutely stunning. Even in the AOD mode, it looks just as good. You're gonna love it. But the watch face on, the first thing that caught my eye is how Friday is written out right there. Very unique, very different. Even the index going around the bezel of the watch has a premium, elegant look to it. I like this analog theme, and you get the date over to the right. That looks nice as well. If you look down to the bottom, you're going to get your battery percentage. Nothing is in the way. Nothing is too big or too small. It seems like everything that was laid out on this watch face is perfect for the most part. Now, what I like about the watch face also is that if I double tap in the center, I can customize the color of the indexes. So depending on what I'm wearing for that day, I can just cycle through the 7 different colors that this watch face has to offer, and I'm good to go, right? But that's not it. You also have shortcuts. So if I tap right here, I can get my music. If I tap right here, I can get info on my calories burned, my steps. Right here, I can get my weather. Just keep cycling around till you get to where you want to be at. Let me tap right here and see what it brings up. But just tap around and it will bring up many different shortcuts that you can tap over into. He also gives you kind of like a layout of where you can tap to get those information. I'm telling you, Triple Play Saturday round 2 is off the chain. Check this one out in the Gear Manager store, you all. Make sure you comment. I need to know your thoughts on these watch faces, especially this one. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If it was, hit the like button on the way out. You want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to my channel and enjoy the weekend. Party like it's 1999, but be safe.